Welcome to Lexus of Edmonton. We are located off 111th Avenue and 170th Street. Here we have a Lexus certified pre-owned 2018 ES 300 hybrid with a 2.5 liter inline 4-cylinder CVT transmission engine. Also included with this model is the Touring package. Power windows, power locks, seat memory, Lexus scuff plate. On your dash you have power mirrors, auto high beam, park assist, blind spot monitoring, trip computer. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic power adjustable. Both front seats are 10-way power adjustable with lumbar support. Audio controls, hands-free communication, lane departure, pre-collision, menu information for your dash, cruise control, engine start stop, 8-inch LCD screen display, analog clock, 8-speaker Lexus premium audio system with AM/FM, satellite radio, and CD player, dual climate controls, including heated and ventilated seats, drive mode select, eco, normal, and sport, traction control on or off, cup holder, menu information for your screen, radio, media, and other vehicle information, second cup holder, storage compartment between seats, has USB and auxiliary ports as well as a power outlet. Overhead we have one-touch lighting, on and off, as well as your controls for your power sunroof. Rear view mirror is auto dimming with garage door opener. 17-inch wheels, power adjustable mirrors with blind spot monitoring, keyless entry, also has extra key for door handle, comes with remote starter, rear cross traffic alert, rear spoiler, remote trunk release. There's also a trunk release button to the right of the logo. Trunk area comes with a full-size carpeted mat, battery cover, spare tire and tools stored under trunk area. Overhead is the emergency trunk release and your pull-down handle. Beneath the logo is also your backup camera. Black leather upholstery with white stitching, rubber floor mats, storage pockets on the rear front seats, center armrest folds down with cup holders, 3 adjustable headrests, rear window power shade, rear window defrost, child seat anchors behind each headrest, child safety door locks, and interior comes equipped with 10 airbags. Fin-tail rooftop antenna, clearance and backup sensors, heated mirrors with integrated turn signals, rain sensing wipers, windshield wiper deicer, LED headlights, daytime running lights, and fog lights, and so much more. So check out all of our inventory and come drive a Lexus away today.